Today we are learning the first chapter, numbers. We are all familiar with the numbers. The numbers which we use are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, these are nothing but Hindu Arabic symbols. We call them as digits also. We call them as digits. So, these are called digits. So, whenever we want to write any number, we use these digits only. We will have to use these digits only. So, digits or numerals will form a number. We call these numbers as natural numbers also. Now, how do we form a number? You take any 3 digits for example. So, 3, 1, 2. How many digits have we taken? 3. These 3 digits form a number. So, this is called numeration. So, in this can be read as 312. Now, the value is decided by its place value. And we have actually the value of a number. So, this is phase value of a number, place value of a number. Now, let us see, take the same number 123, take this number, same digits, but their positions are different. For examples, here the position of 2 is in the units place and the position of 2 is in tens place. The position of here is tens place, 1 is tens place, here it is in hundreds place, here 3 is hundreds place, here 3 is units place. So, the same numbers, 3 is wherever you go, 3 is 3. But as the place changes, the value changes. And these systems of numbers are called base 10 numbers. So, we take 10 units put together one number. For example, you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, you will be getting 10. So, goes on 11. So, 19. So, 20. You take up to 30 for example. Now, let us discuss about the structure of these numbers. Suppose you have taken 10 matchbox sticks and count them. It is 10. Make a bundle. If you make a 10 pieces of sticks as a bundle with rubber band, it's okay, nothing is left. So, here 0 is left, nothing is left. Suppose if you take 11, you take 10 bundle and 1 is left. You take up to 19, 10 sticks made one bundle and 9 sticks are left. Now if 1 is added, you are getting plus 0. So this 2 indicates that there are 2 tens. There are 1 10. So here you have 12, 110 plus 2. Here 20 plus 3. So these are all called base 10. Usually whenever you write a number 123, base 10. So this is a decimal system. Decimal system 10, 10, base 10. If you observe carefully, we don't find the numbers as 123 to base 10. We simply find 123 only. So there is, if you write 123 means it is 123 to the base 10. Base 10 need not be written. It cannot be written. So we should understand that we are learning base 10 systems. So do we have any other systems in the world? Yes, we have base 7. We have base 7 also. We have base 2. We have base 12. In the number system, we have base 12, base 2, base 7. So for these numbers, we will have to keep base 2 compulsory. Other than base 10, if you take any number other than base 10, you will have to write. For example, so this is base 2. Base 2 can be written as 1, 1, base 2. That means it is nothing but 3. This 1 consists of 2 plus 1. This is 3. 1, 1 base 2 is 3. So suppose if you take for example 1, 6. So this 1 stands for 1 bundle. 6 days are left. 6 days are left. Or else you take Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, again Monday. It repeats just like here 10. Understand? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 20. Again 21. 1 is repeated. 1 is repeated. So again 29, 30, again 31. 1 is repeated. So here also it repeats the same. So base 7 means days of the week. Base 12 means months in a year. January, February, like that. And the second one is, so you will have to remember that the numbers which we are learning are base 10. That is the important notation which we will have to remember. And second one is, how do you write a number? How do you write a number? For example, so 534 for example. So what is the mechanism inside in 534? So here we have 5 hundreds, 3 tens, 4 ones. So this 500 can be written as 5 into 10 into 10. This can be written as 3 into 10. So this can be written as 4 into 1. So this also can be written as 5 into 10 into 10, 10 square. So this can be written as 3 into 10. 10 to the power of 1. This also can be written as 4 into 10 to the power of 0. So in one number we should know that there are 5 hundreds, 3 tens and 4 ones. 10 to the power of 0 is 1. 10, 10, 10. So I think you will be understanding that these numbers are based on 10th base system. So this is the way of writing. You take any number. So what is the mechanism? What is the value of that? So for example, you take say 6,000. So you take 6 into 10 into 10 into 10. So this is 6 into 10 to the power of 3. 6 into 10 to the power of 3. So it is nothing left. You don't have any value in the units place. So this also can be written as like this. Instead of writing like this, you can write like this. 6 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 0 into 10. 0 into 10. So 0 into something is 0. And even in the units place also, this is 1. In the units place also, 0 into 10 to the power of 0. So please observe this. So this is 10 cube, 10 square, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 0 is units place. So this is the way of writing the value of a number. Now you please practice yourself. Take the notebook and practice yourself. Write the number of your own and express in terms of 10, the value of 10. So you will be understanding how to write a number. Thank you.